We're going to start off with another beautiful picture. We're getting all sorts of great pictures lately. This one from Facebook yesterday. Someone posted it on my page. You see the Cape Fear River Bridge right there, the Memorial Bridge, and the sun setting last evening. A beautiful night to catch a sunset. And earlier in the day, it was a beautiful day to get out and enjoy whatever you wanted to, really. Lots of clear skies across both North and South Carolina. And you saw just a couple of clouds and maybe a sprinkle or two migrating through the northern corner of the state for us, though we had a fully sunny day. Temperature-wise, it was a little on the cooler side yesterday, but today we started to warm things up already. It's around 60 degrees right now. Remember, it was in the mid 40s. Yeah, that's what it was. 40s yesterday morning out there. We were close to our record low temperatures, but that's not the case now. You see our cooler air off to the east. Warmest air right now is still off to the west. So places like Dallas in the 70s, KC in about 68 degrees right now. That 70-degree warmth is in the middle of the country, and the cooler air is starting to kind of dip a little bit farther south from Canada. So that's where we're looking for some of that heat that started to head our way. Check it out, 98 degrees for Minneapolis yesterday afternoon. They had snow not too long ago. The average high for places like this is about 74 degrees. So triple-digit heat, a big shock to their system out in that part of the country. And that's what we have in store for us. Not triple digits, but that warm air, that influence is coming in from the plains as we head into the next couple of days. The weather map looks a little bit interesting here. You have all these showers kind of dancing around the southeast, but not quite getting here. We have too much high pressure in control. That high pressure acts as a big shield. It just blocks us from all of these weather systems. So instead of plowing right into us, they just kind of skirt around us and they're not going to be able to get here. So we're in the clear for several days across the area, and I do think that's going to mean clear skies for a long time. So hopefully you like sunshine. Here it comes. High pressure just anchored offshore right now. It'll move a little bit, and as that high moves just a little bit, we'll start to change our wind speeds. They get into the southwest today and coming in very strong. So moving at about 20 to 30 miles per hour by this afternoon. The faster your warm winds, the faster you can get the warm air into place. And so this afternoon, we go all the way up to about 85. Now tomorrow, that wind will keep on blowing, and so we get even a little bit warmer than that. And notice how, yeah, these showers are getting close to us, but not quite this far south. That front will stall out a little bit farther to the north. So if you head to places like Richmond, Roanoke, places like D.C., they have some drearier weather than we will. We still keep the sunshine and don't get in on the shower activity for a while here in southeastern North Carolina. So for today, we'll sum it up for you right around 85 across the area for those higher temperatures. But remember the winds, they are going to be very strong, thinking about 15 to 25 miles per hour sustained, but it would not shock me to see gusts every now and then above 30 miles per hour. So you'll definitely notice it this afternoon. In fact, it may be just a touch too windy to have a picture-perfect beach day. But if you do go out to the beaches, you should be okay with high temperatures in the upper 70s. Still cooler out there. The water temperature still about the upper 60s out there, around 67 at Johnny Mercer Pier. UV index will be about a 9 to a 10 out there today. Small craft advisory, though, is in place because it's going to be so windy. Here's your 7-day forecast. We head into the day tomorrow. How about 89 degrees? The highest we've been all year long so far has been about 85. And people were asking me on Facebook last night, is it rare to see 90-degree heat this time of year? It's not at all. We usually hit our 90 degrees right in the first part of May. The record highs are in the mid-90s. And then by the time we head into the weekend, we'll start to increase that slight chance of an afternoon thunderstorm. You guys know the drill. Sea breeze pops up. We get one or two of those in the afternoon, and the rest of the day is pretty sunny.
Just wait a minute. Just wait a minute.
85 degrees. I would say that is perfect.
It's not bad, and the humidity is low today, so it's not going to feel that bad, at least
Very
not
nice.
for a while.
I think I'm going to spend a
It's a
lot
good
of time
day.
at the dog park today with my puppy.
That's a good idea.
I did that yesterday. I think I threw the ball so much I thought my arm was going to fall off. If we could only figure a way to harness that power.
Yes, exactly.
Well, tourists